What's up, everybody? We are back with another video, and today we're going to unbox, I have it upside down. Today we're going to unbox probably my favorite pickup of 2019. This is one of my favorite Yeezys. It was the first one made in the V2s. I'm sure from that you guys know which one this is, and yes, this is the Beluga 1.0 with the orange stripe. So a little story behind this one. Kind of always been eyeballing this shoe at sneaker shops. They resell pre-owned for like $500-600. I think they're on StockX. Payouts like $900, $950. I obviously wasn't doing that, so I looked for a pre-owned pair. I found the pre-owned pair. I like this shoe. I like to look at it more. It doesn't really do it for me on foot. That's the only problem. I like the Beluga 2.0 better than the 1.0 on foot. But I bought this shoe pre-owned. I've worn it probably 3 times. And I just haven't felt it. So I'm actually going to be taking these tomorrow and trading. But yeah, super excited that I got these. And then once I got them, I kind of was like, alright, I got them. Now what do I do? And yeah, I wore them. I like them. I mean, my fiance loves them. They're pretty cool. I like the way they look from the back on foot. But from the side, I don't know. And I didn't really honestly look at myself or pictures of me wearing them. So they might look better than what I see. But when you look down at them, it just kind of looks goofy. Like from when you're walking and look down. But yeah, I see people check them out. I've gotten a couple compliments on them. But as far as like the shoe goes, like I just like these first versions because the upper prime knit is just it's a little bit more sturdier than the material that they're using now, and I just don't like not having a pull tab. That's another big no for me. Hey, I had fun. At least I got to say I owned it, and it's not like I can't get another one eventually. But yeah, that's gonna do that. I just wanted to pop on here and at least have some kind of unboxing video with the Beluga. And yeah, as far as like if you buy these online, this back part should never be like multiple colors. It should be a solid color. This stripe back here, it should fade off, and there should be a triangle. There's a lot of stuff online. There's a lot of stuff online to help you figure out if these are real or fake. You really have to look at them pretty hard. This in here should be very close to the stitching. That's another way to tell. And then honestly, like if you have Yeezys and own Yeezys, you'll know for a fact that this back part there's just a certain look, and they can never get it right. And then, like I said, we talk about, the shoe's got butt. It's got like, this sticks out. There's a nice little hump back here. And a lot of the fake shoes, they'll be more, flush like that, and they don't get this right. Or like one of the bigger indicators is this stripe almost touches that gray ring that goes around the upper prime knit where your foot slides into. But yeah, that's the Beluga 1.0. It's a super good shoe. The reason I really like the shoe is because of the sole. You can get away with wearing this and cleaning it, and the shoe's not going to look as bad as a zebra, which is probably my least favorite shoe. Is any of the Yeezys with white bottoms. They just don't hold up. The statics, the zebras, to the creams, they just turn yellow. It looks crappy. And for $240, like, put a gum bottom on the shoe. Alright guys, we're gonna end it tonight on that note. Gonna jump on tomorrow, like I said, after I pick up the Desert Off-Whites. We're gonna do an unboxing on that. We're gonna give you another detailed update on the eBay transaction situation, let you know what's going on with that, and I'm hoping I get my money back so we can buy some more shoes. Alright guys, we're out. See ya.